this lecture, I want to show you how to set style for your web page with internal CSS. Internal styling is used to define a style for one HTML page. Internal styling is defined in the head section of an HTML page within a style element. I delete my H1 and P paragraph and create another H1, a new H1, and this is a heading. Okay, save, and I should set the style in head section. Set a style and then set type. Type. The type is text and CSS. And close the tag. I want to change the heading color. Okay. I type H1 and open curly bracket and type color purple. Save. My heading color change to purple. Type purple and semicolon. I create a new paragraph. This is red paragraph. I want to change my paragraph. Type P, open curly bracket, and color red, and then semicolon. Save, refresh. This is red paragraph. There you go. You learned about internal CSS. Good luck.